Hey everyone, I'll be showing you Bing Chat versus ChatGPT. Which AI chatbot should you use? In the realm of AI chatbots, the clash between Bing Chat and ChatGPT presents an intriguing showdown. As a committed user of ChatGPT since its inception in 2022, the emergence of Microsoft's Bing Chat has sparked curiosity. This comparison aims to dissect both platforms, evaluating their features, language comprehension, information delivery, user interface, and adaptability. ChatGPT, born from OpenAI's innovative endeavors, has established itself as a reliable conversationalist, prized for its coherent responses and contextual understanding. Meanwhile, Bing Chat, backed by Microsoft's technological prowess, has swiftly gained attention, promising a unique and robust conversational experience. As we explore the intricacies of these AI chatbots, their strengths, weaknesses, and evolving capabilities will illuminate the path toward determining the superior conversational AI companion, offering users insights to align with their preferences and needs in this dynamic landscape. Before we delve into the intriguing face-off between Bing Chat and ChatGPT, it is crucial to recognize the common thread that binds them: the powerful GPT models developed by OpenAI. However, Microsoft, as a strategic investor in OpenAI, has elevated the game by introducing Bing Chat, an interesting nuance to highlight its accessibility to GPT-4. For those seeking complementary access to this cutting-edge model, Microsoft's Bing Chat emerges as the preferred avenue. This extended access is not confined to a single browser, as Bing Chat seamlessly integrates with Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, and Safari, providing users with a versatile and cross-browser AI chatbot experience. This unique collaboration between Microsoft and OpenAI unfolds a new chapter in the landscape of AI chatbots. The availability of GPT-4 on Bing Chat represents a noteworthy leap forward, potentially ushering in a new era of enhanced language processing capabilities and more sophisticated conversational interactions. Users, particularly those keen on experiencing the latest advancements in AI technology, are likely to find Bing Chat's integration with GPT-4 to be an enticing proposition, offering a glimpse into the forefront of natural language understanding and generation. In this dynamic context, the choice between Bing Chat and ChatGPT becomes nuanced, extending beyond mere feature comparisons to considerations of accessibility, browser compatibility, and the underlying AI model's version. As we navigate this comparative journey, we will explore how the integration of GPT-4 shapes the conversational dynamics of Bing Chat and how it positions itself against the well-established ChatGPT. Convergence of two technological powerhouses, OpenAI and Microsoft, in the development of these chatbots adds an extra layer of complexity to the evaluation. Join us as we dissect the intricacies of these AI chatbots, shedding light on their capabilities, accessibility, and the evolving landscape of AI-driven conversational agents. Moving deeper into the comparison, it is pivotal to highlight the distinctive features that set Bing Chat and ChatGPT apart. Bing Chat carves its niche by seamlessly integrating into Microsoft Edge, delivering a tailored search experience that harmonizes with the user's browsing journey. The integration with Microsoft Edge not only enhances accessibility, but also signifies a synergy between Bing Chat and Microsoft's browser ecosystem. This integration allows users to seamlessly transition from browsing to conversing, creating a cohesive digital experience within the confines of their preferred web browser. On the other hand, ChatGPT, while operating independently, distinguishes itself through its versatility and extensibility. OpenAI has fostered a collaborative ecosystem by providing developers with the tools to integrate ChatGPT into various applications and platforms. The availability of powerful integrations and plugins facilitates a broad spectrum of use cases, extending beyond the confines of a single browser or platform. This approach empowers users to engage with ChatGPT across diverse digital landscapes, tailoring their conversational interactions to meet specific needs. The choice between Bing Chat and ChatGPT, therefore, hinges on the user's preference for a seamless, browser-integrated experience or a more versatile and extensible conversational tool. Bing Chat's allegiance to Microsoft Edge ensures a tightly woven digital tapestry, whereas ChatGPT's capacity to transcend platforms offers a broader canvas for users to paint their conversational experiences. As we navigate through these nuances, it becomes evident that the decision between the two not only considers the conversational capabilities of the chatbots, but also the integration into the user's digital ecosystem. Stay tuned as we unravel more layers in this intricate comparison between Bing Chat and ChatGPT. But before we move on, if you are excited about keeping up with the latest in artificial intelligence and staying in the know about recent trends and advancements, it is essential to hit that subscribe button on my channel. You will discover a wealth of content focused on AI updates and detailed tutorials delving into the complex realm of technology. In the intricate tapestry of AI chatbot functionalities, the relationship between Bing Chat and ChatGPT reveals a fascinating interplay of features and capabilities. Both draw their linguistic prowess from OpenAI's language models, creating a shared foundation while diverging in the nuanced execution of their respective roles. One noteworthy synergy arises in the realm of web browsing, where ChatGPT's exploration is powered by the Bing search engine. This collaboration demonstrates the interconnectedness within the AI landscape, with each chatbot leveraging the strengths of the other. However, the divergence becomes more pronounced when we delve into the speed and comprehensiveness of delivering search results. Here, Bing Chat takes the lead, not only furnishing direct answers but also providing a comprehensive array of relevant links, visuals, and suggestions for further exploration. This multifaceted approach to search results amplifies the user's ability to delve deeper into topics of interest, creating a more enriched and informative conversational experience. The integration of Bing Chat into Microsoft Edge adds an extra layer of sophistication, offering users a seamlessly embedded chat experience in the browser's sidebar. This innovation is particularly advantageous for users engaged in information-dense internet research, allowing them to engage in conversations, compose content, and gain insights without disrupting their browsing context. The synergy between Bing Chat and Microsoft Edge showcases thoughtful integrations that cater to the fluidity of digital interactions, aligning with the evolving needs of users navigating the vast sea of online information. When it comes to the composition aspect, a pivotal distinction emerges. ChatGPT necessitates specific prompts for generating responses, requiring users to steer the conversation in desired directions. In contrast, Bing Chat's composition feature streamlines the process by offering ready-made options, enhancing user-friendliness. This divergence in approach highlights the trade-off between customization and convenience. While Bing Chat's composition feature expedites the conversational process, ChatGPT's reliance on custom instructions grants users greater control and precision over the generated content, potentially saving time in the long run. As we unravel these intricacies, it becomes evident that the choice between Bing Chat and ChatGPT extends beyond surface-level comparisons, delving into the nuances of search results delivery, browsing integration, and composition methods. Join us in the next segment as we continue to dissect the layers of these compelling comparisons, shedding light on additional facets that influence the user experience in the realm of AI chatbots. The convergence of artificial intelligence and visual creativity adds an exciting dimension to our exploration of Bing Chat and ChatGPT. Both these AI chatbots harness the transformative power of OpenAI's DALL-E, a groundbreaking model capable of generating unique images based on textual prompts. However, the nuances in their implementation and accessibility shape a distinctive user experience. Bing Chat stands out by offering users the opportunity to generate AI images using DALL-E without any additional cost. This inclusion of a free all-in-one interface sets a precedent in the AI chatbot landscape. Within the Bing Chat ecosystem, users can seamlessly transition between searching for information, composing content, and generating captivating images, all within a unified platform. This integrated approach not only streamlines the creative process but also democratizes access to AI-generated visuals, making it an appealing option for users seeking a comprehensive and cost-effective solution. On the other hand, ChatGPT also incorporates the DALL-E image generation feature, providing users with a tool to visualize their textual prompts. However, ChatGPT takes a slightly different approach by offering additional plugins, expanding the scope of creative possibilities. These plugins enhance the versatility of ChatGPT, allowing users to explore varied image generation experience beyond the constraints of a singular integrated interface. While this approach offers more customization, it introduces a layer of complexity that contrasts with the simplicity of Bing Chat's all-in-one solution. As we navigate through the realm of AI-generated images, it becomes evident that the choice between Bing Chat and ChatGPT extends beyond mere functionality. Accessibility, cost considerations, and the user preference for a unified or modular approach play pivotal roles in shaping the decision-making process. Bing Chat's provision of a free, integrated platform for AI image generation is a compelling proposition, while ChatGPT's added plugins cater to users seeking a more diverse and customizable visual experience. In the realm of conversation sharing, the disparity between ChatGPT and Bing Chat unveils an intriguing contrast in user experience. ChatGPT emerges as a frontrunner in this domain, offering a streamlined and intuitive approach to sharing entire conversations. The simplicity of sharing conversations via ChatGPT enables seamless continuity for recipients, allowing them to seamlessly pick up the conversation thread and engage further with the AI, maintaining the original context effortlessly. However, the sharing experience within Bing Chat presents a contrasting scenario, characterized by a more cumbersome process. Compared to ChatGPT's fluidity in conversation sharing, Bing Chat's sharing mechanism appears a clunkier, potentially impacting the recipient's ability to seamlessly continue the conversation. This disparity in sharing experiences highlights a crucial aspect of user convenience and accessibility within the realm of AI chatbots. ChatGPT's user-friendly conversation sharing feature not only ensures the effortless transfer of dialogues but also extends the conversational flow to recipients, facilitating ongoing interactions without interruptions or disruptions. This attribute resonates with users seeking a hassle-free and consistent conversational experience, promoting fluidity and continuity in digital interactions. Conversely, Bing Chat's comparatively cumbersome sharing process may introduce friction, potentially hindering the recipient's ability to smoothly transition into the ongoing conversation. While both platforms excel in various aspects, this particular divergence underscores the significance of user-friendly functionalities that contribute to a seamless and uninterrupted conversational experience. As we draw conclusions from our exploration of Bing Chat and ChatGPT, the decision on which one to use hinges on the intricacies of individual needs and preferences. If your primary focus is on harnessing the power of a robust research tool seamlessly integrated with a web browser, Bing Chat stands out as the go-to option. Its integration with Microsoft Edge, coupled with swift search result delivery and a comprehensive browsing experience, positions it as a formidable ally for those deeply immersed in online exploration and information retrieval. Conversely, if your requirements lean towards an AI-powered personal assistant that extends beyond browsing integration, GPT emerges as the victor. Its versatility comes to the forefront, offering a suite of plugins for various applications, enabling a broader spectrum of use cases. ChatGPT's prowess as a personal assistant is accentuated by its capacity for easy collaboration, making it a compelling choice for users seeking an AI companion that seamlessly integrates into their workflow, facilitates communication, and adapts to diverse application environments. The best course of action to determine the optimal fit for your needs is to experience both Bing Chat and ChatGPT firsthand. By engaging with these chatbots, you can assess their functionalities, user interfaces, and overall performance, allowing you to align your choice with the unique requirements of your workflow. In this dynamic landscape of AI-driven tools, a hands-on approach is invaluable for making informed decisions that resonate with your preferences and enhance your digital experience. We hope this comprehensive exploration has provided valuable insights into the strengths and specialties of Bing Chat and ChatGPT. As you embark on your journey to integrate these AI chatbots into your daily routine, we encourage you to share your experiences and preferences. Feel free to try them out, experiment with their features, and discover which one seamlessly integrates into your digital world. That wraps up today's showdowns between Bing Chat and ChatGPT. If you enjoyed this content, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest explorations. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.